Hey, what's poppin'? Jordan Thomas here, and welcome to today's unboxing of the DJI Mini 3. My wife surprised me with this as an amazing Christmas gift, so I really had no intention of reviewing this, but I got it here and I thought I'd unbox it with you. And then as I go through the process of learning how to use this drone, I figured I'd make a couple of videos to go with it. So let's begin with seeing what's inside. All right, so we've got the drone itself. We'll put that over to the side here. We have the controller. I opted for the one with the controller just because I don't like to be dependent on my phone in order to be able to use the overall drone. And we've got the all-important box of stuff. So inside here, we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable and additional propellers. What else we got? We have a quick start guide, flight safety rules. So for the full manual, you can download directly from the website. Oh, one other thing, screwdriver. So let's break down each of these components. This foldable design is awesome. The blades swing from the bottom over here to the side, and then as you come around, this one goes there, that one goes there, and now we have the full extension of this drone. The overall footprint is pretty small as well. It does come with a battery. It comes out like so. Note though that while pretty much everything you need to fly this drone is inside of it, it does not include an SD card. So you wanna make sure that you have that there. In the back, we've got the area for the aforementioned SD card as well as the USB-C charger. One other thing that's not inside of the box is a charger, so keep that in mind. We've got the gimbal here with the rotation, so we've got E24 f1.7, which means it's going to be great in low light. I'm not sure if I can control the aperture yet, so that's something I'll have to look up. And I do know that DJI, as well as a number of third parties, sell ND filters, so depending on what time of day you're going to use this, that might be something that you can look into. All right, this foldable design, definitely pretty clutch. I believe that one of the other things that makes this just really nice is that the overall size, like in my hand, as you'll see here shortly, is super small. So a little bit bigger than a pocket, but certainly something that you can put into a bag pretty easily. All right, now let's break down the controller. Now for me, one of the big selling points of this drone was the controller. I know that in previous versions, that you would have to use your cell phone in order to control it, or use a combination of your cell phone as well as a DJI controller. That to me just seemed a bit tedious. I'm the type of person that appreciates having the flexibility of being free of my phone. I mean, as a matter of fact, I don't see the joystick. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's cool. Actually, you have the joysticks down here at the bottom. I do wonder if they sell extras because these seem like they were getting lost really easily, but let's go ahead and screw these on. Probably works better if it turned it on the right way. Let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. So one thing you'll need to know about turning this on is that you'll need to plug it into a charger. One thing that doesn't come with this drone is a charger. I mean, it comes with a USB-C charging cable, but no wall adapter, so you'll need to plug that in. I think that's kind of a bummer, as well as it doesn't come with a charger, like a stand. So that's something I'll need to buy after the fact, probably along with an additional battery or two. I've got the drone set up and ready for flight. I don't know if I'm able to get it out today. Even here in LA, it's not the best weather day, so I had to try this out a little bit later on in the week, so stay tuned for that. This is just an unboxing and setup video, and in the next one, I'll give you a little bit more information as to why I wanted this drone and some of my first impressions, especially because I'm a new drone operator. See you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace.